It's your personal chef, Chef Troy B. So let's do a cheese omelet. I love a good omelet. So we're just gonna show you how to make a simple diner style cheese omelet. You know how we get started. Gotta cast my vision. So my vision is to strengthen, renew, and restore interpersonal relationships through the joy of cooking and the sharing of meals. So we're gonna get our pan hot, of course, and then we add our fat, which is going to be the butter. So we want this on a nice medium to medium low heat. A traditional omelet, they like to say you got to have a quiet pan. So you don't want your butter to burn or get too brown, and you definitely don't want your omelet to burn. So while that's getting hot, I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using an 8-inch nonstick pan. And while that's getting hot and melted, I'm going to grab the best whisk in the world, a fork, and I'm just going to whisk my eggs together. I don't want any air bubbles in them. Now we're going to start working the eggs. Turn the fire up just a tad. So now we're going to start making the curds. Now this is a diner style. This is not the traditional French way where you roll the eggs into a shape, and then they normally split the egg and then add the filling. So this is kind of more the omelet that you'll get inside a diner. Nonstick pan, and I'm just going to flip it. Nice and easy. So I'm going to turn off the heat now because there's enough heat in there to finish cooking the eggs. I'm going to add my cheese, and then I'm going to fold this over like this. You can add as much cheese as you want. That's beautiful. You slide it out on your plate real easy, and voila. A cheese omelet with a top with a little salsa. So there you have it. Quick, super easy. You can bang these out in no time flat.